You name it, THINBIT can do it. THINBIT offers inserts in grades and coatings to optimize cutting performance. Companion tool holders are available for all machine types and insert orientations. THINBIT offers boring tools in solid carbide and indexable options. Solid carbide tools work in bores as small as 73 thousandths of an inch. Insertable tool holders are designed with a K-angle to increase the strength of the insert pocket and length of thread engagement. Tool holders are available in steel, carbide, and heavy metal. Groove and turn inserts can groove, bore, and generate profiles. The patented groove and turn system locks the insert into the tool holder to prevent axial and radial movement. This unique clamping system allows the insert to cut grooves, arcs, and angles. The inserts are capable of multi-directional turning, making chips 100% of the cutting cycle. Milligroove tool holders are designed to work in combination with boring heads to produce grooves with improved surface finish, groove diameters that are concentric to spindle rotation, elimination of secondary lathe operations for face grooving, lower cost per groove, increased strength due to greater cross-sectional area, and custom groove forms. We stand behind our quality products, excellent customer service, and fast delivery. THINBIT, made in the USA. Damn right. For more information, contact us.